guys, welcome back to another video on Budget with Soph. My name is Sophia and this is my channel. On my channel we do budgeting, we do cash stuffing, and we save our coins. So if any of those things interest you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join the journey. We are on our way to becoming debt-free in 2023. So today we are going to do a cash stuffing and budgeting of paycheck number 1 for April. So yeah, guys, if you did not do your budget yet, do go ahead, get your budget book out and join us. We are about to do our budgeting. So yeah, let me get my budget sheet. We are doing purple this month and I am super excited. I love this color. It's so bright. It's so, yeah, it's giving me life, even though my money won't. But yeah, let's get into our budgeting. So our paycheck date is April 6th. Our next paycheck date is April 21st. Now, we got paid April 6th because April 7th, which is typically a Friday, it's a Friday, is actually Good Friday this year. So we got paid a little bit early. Today is actually April 7th. So I am recording this video basically on my paycheck date. But you know, we got paid early because it's a holiday. So my income for paycheck number 1 was $1,173.75. Now for our budgeting this week, we are going to be paying half of our rent, which is $590, which is not really half, but a little bit more than half, but that's what I'm going to be paying. We are going to be paying Canva, which is $12.99. We're going to be paying our Google Photo, which is $199. And car payment, we are going to pay some of it. We're going to be paying $270. Gas and electric, we are going to be paying that late. This automatic Prime automatically gets taken out, and that is $14.99. And our last thing we're going to pay for this paycheck when it comes to bills, we're going to pay our life insurance, which is $42.30. And the rest of the stuff is going to get paid with our second paycheck. Guys, I don't know. I just feel like my paycheck is just like not helping when it comes to my bills, which is why I decided to take on the new journey in my career, and hopefully I will getting paid more. I am not paying a lot, so like, why is it that I still feel like I'm struggling? And that is my issue, and that is something that I want to change, but for right now it's not really helping. So yeah, I mean, I'm thankful for this paycheck, but sometimes I'm just like, why do I feel like I'm still struggling? Like, it's just crazy. So for my bills, we are going to be paying, whoa, definitely made a mistake, $590. Am I the only one feeling like this? Like, I feel like nothing I'm doing is like helping my situation financially. I'm trying to save so much. I'm trying to do all the hustle that I can, and I just feel like it's not really helping. Like, I am paying $927 right now with all my bills, and I still didn't even pay for like all of my bills that is due in the first half of the month, like, which is crazy. Yeah, I don't need Canva. Yeah, I don't need Google Photos. Yeah, I don't need Prime. But like, what do I need? What, like, I'm paying for rent, my car payment, which I really don't need, car insurance, which I don't need, phone and internet, and that's basically it. But like, I feel like I should be able to pay stuff that I want to enjoy. Like, this is like fruits of my labor or whatever, I guess you can say. But sometimes I just don't feel like this paycheck is doing it for me. And that is why I am on this journey with a new career as a biller and coder. And I'm still kind of, you know, like, is it gonna work? Like, am I gonna be happy with what I'm gonna be, like, you know, getting when I actually get my paycheck with that? But then again, I do have to finish my course and, like, find a job. But yeah, that's just things that have just been in my head. Like, I don't know, am I the only one just like like, my biggest fear is being homeless, and sometimes I just feel like, am I doing enough? Am I doing enough? But anyways, for my debt, I am going to pay $40 for my blue credit card. I am going to pay $40 for my black credit card, and I am going to pay make a payment that automatically comes out for Uplift, which was my flight ticket for my bachelorette. So that's $83, and together that would equal to $161.63. So when we add this plus the bills that I'm paying with this first paycheck, I am paying $1,193.90. So when I subtract that from my actual paycheck, I have $79.85 left of my paycheck, which is crazy because, guys, I literally don't have any money for groceries, household, and, like, things that I actually need. So therefore, I took out money again from my savings, and this is how we're gonna do our groceries and stuff. So I'm going to do $70 for groceries. Household usually gets 10. Pet care usually gets 10. Gas is going to be 45. I'm going to give myself 45 because this is a holiday weekend and I feel like I should be able to go do stuff. $20 for beauty and personal, I am going to give myself 10. So out of that $200, I spent $165, and I'll be saving $35, which is crazy. Weekly is going to get 20, and bachelorette is gonna get 15, and that will be it for my budgeting for paycheck number 1, and that's a zero-based budget, guys. So yeah, let's get into our paycheck stuffing for April. And yeah, so where is my bank envelope is right here. Let's count our money. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. $60.05 plus 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. And that's $200. All right. So let's get into our wallet. Let's see how we did for so far with this paycheck for, you know, the last paycheck of March. For groceries, we have some money left over. We have $4 left over, and groceries is getting 72, 4, 6, 65, and 70. $70 in grocery. Pet care has $5 left. And pet care will be getting $10. Gas has $10 left. And gas will be getting 40. Whoa. 20, 45. Household. I did not spend any money on household, and it will be getting that same 10. Beauty, I did not do anything with beauty. As you can see, look at my nails, like look at this. But I don't feel like doing my nails just yet, just because I know vacation is coming up, my birthday is coming up, so I don't know. Am I the only one that just doesn't feel like doing my nails right now? I don't know. But beauty has 25, 35, and it'll be getting a 20, so 20, 45, 55, 60. So $60 in beauty, and personal will be getting 5 and 10. So that's it for our wallet. Let's put 1, 2, and 3. And the other 3. In right here. There's just a lot of things that I want to do, but I just feel like my paycheck is just holding me back. This wallet is very heavy because I have all these coins. All these coins, and I always keep the quarters. $1.50. $2. $2 in coins is actually okay to have in my wallet. It feels so much lighter. My gosh. And all this is going in my saving my coins. Saving my coins, guys. Like, this is a good, wow, good little bit. All right, so I have now my savings challenge. Ooh, I didn't put any in my monthly, so weekly is going to get $20 if you'd like to see how much we've saved in our, and I'll come back to this one. Oh no, we have 15 in batch. 15 in batch, and for our rollover, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, $29 in rollover. $29 in rollover. So some of this money will be going into my monthly because I know that we did not get to that goal for March. So that's going into rollover, and then I might do some in my bachelorette envelope. So that is that for our cash stuffing today. If you would like to see what we save for the month of March, do go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you are notified when I upload. And that is it for our video today, guys. So thank you guys all for coming and staying and watching my videos, and leave a comment if you feel like I was actually making sense of what I was saying. Let me know what you guys think. How is your journey going when it comes to saving your money and doing what you gotta do in 2023? Because I don't know, I feel like this year is just like a crazy one already, even though we don't have the pandemic anymore. But inflation is just, yeah, if it's not one thing, it's the other. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.